Friends, this is Ssc Mts model test number 59. Let's try to solve this question. Select the option that is related to the fifth word. In the same way, second word is related to the first word, and the fourth word is related to the third word. Pitch, cricket. Pitch and cricket are in court, and badminton. Badminton is played in court. Cricket is played on pitch. Ring is for boxing. Boxing ring. Now you need to go for mirror image. Can you please tell me where is the mirror placed? The mirror is placed on the right side along the straight line M and N. Which option will be my answer? Ma first option. First option. 23. After interchanging the two signs, what will be the value of the following expression? You are not supposed to interchange into and divided by. So 20 plus 5 into 6 divided by 2 minus 5. How much is this? 3. And then immediately multiplication. 15. 20 plus 15 minus 5. What's the answer? 30. Now this is number that does not belong to the group. Number that does not belong to the group. If you observe carefully here, 2 times of 49 is 98. Similarly, 2 times of 98 is 196. Maybe this is also into 2. 196 into 2 is how much? 392. 392 into 2, absolutely right, is 784. 784 into 2 is also 1568. Clear? Next, 25. Look at this. In a certain code language, who are you is written as SUERENIK. They is you is written as PIRESOR. They are dangerous is written as PINAKZHI. What is the code for dangerous in that language? Where do you find dangerous? This is dangerous. Auna kada. Along with dangerous, there are also another 2 words. What are they? They and are. I can cancel they and they because this is the only one word that is common. If it is the only one word what is common, it is PI. And then I can go for R. R is here. R is here. It should be NIK or ZHI. It is NIK. Automatically ZHI is for dangerous. Okay now? Next. ROPNMP. This is R, this is O, this is P, and this is next NMP. This is the question on coding and decoding, but this is on analogy. If I go with this is 18 and this is 14. This becomes minus 4. This is 15 and this is 13. Ante kada? Enta vachu? Minus 2. Idi minus 0 ayyundochu. అవునా కాదా? ఇట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏంటంటే ఒక చిన్న ట్రాప్ అన్నమాట. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ స్మాల్ ట్రాప్స్. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. M and E. How much is the place value of M? 13. 13 minus 2 should be 11. 20 minus 2 should be 18. Sorry, 4 కదా? Minus 4 చేయాలి కదా ఫస్ట్. 13 minus 4 అంటే ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 9. 20 minus 4 అంటే 16. 12 minus 4 ante 8. C plus 1 is 4. No. Manam anukunna logic minus 4 minus 2 minus 0 is not fetching us the answer. అర్థమవుతుందా? మరి ఏం జరుగుతుండొచ్చు సార్ అంటే స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ రానప్పుడు ఇమీడియట్ స్టెప్ గో ఫర్ రివర్స్. 16 14 minus 2. 15 13 minus 2. 18 16 minus 2. Reverse. Is this clear? Everyone? So what is the first one? Mug. M U G. M 13 minus 2. Come on. 11. What is 11? K. 21 minus 2. 19 S. 7 minus 2. 5 E S K. Which option? First option. Clear? 27. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting around a rectangular table facing towards the center, not necessarily in the same order. Whenever you talk about rectangular table, it have 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. one person is sitting on each of the smaller sides, two persons are sitting on each of the bigger sides. So two persons are sitting on each of the bigger sides, one person is sitting along the smaller side. Next he says C and F are sitting on the same side. C and F are sitting on the same side ante they have to sit along the longer side. అంతే కదా, ఎక్కడ సి ఎక్కడ ఎఫ్ అనేది మనకి ఏమైనా గ్యారంటీ ఉందా? లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఏందో చదువు. B is sitting opposite to A. B is sitting opposite to A ante fix your mind. C and F occupy these two or these two places. At that time, who are opposite here? A and B are opposite to each other ante pakka they have to sit only along the shorter sides. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? బికాస్ ఇఫ్ A and B, ఇప్పుడు ఏ అనేవాడు ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నా ఇక్కడ ఆపోజిట్లో సి కానీ ఎఫ్ కానీ వస్తాడు, ఇక్కడ ఏ తీసుకున్నా సరే ఆపోజిట్లో సి కానీ ఎఫ్ కానీ వస్తాడు, వైస్ వర్సా మళ్ళీ సేమ్ స్టోరీ. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? అంటే ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ క్లియర్ దట్ B and A ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్ అలాంగ్ ద shorter sides. Understood? Next. F is an immediate neighbor of B. A is sitting second to the left of D. A is sitting second to the left of D. I can take D here and I'll fix A here. Opposite is B. B is adjacent to F. This has to be C. ఒకళ్ళు మిగిలిపోయారు, ఎవరు వాళ్ళు? E. Okay na? Counting towards the left of D, how many persons are sitting between A and D? Counting to the left of D, how many persons are sitting between A and D? Amma, one person. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి అసలు ఇదంతా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు. ఎందుకు? అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. A సిట్టింగ్ సెకండ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ D. D కి సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ లో A ఉన్నాడు. వెన్ యూ టేక్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ D, దెర్ విల్ బి ఓన్లీ వన్ పర్సన్ బిట్వీన్ D అండ్ A. అవునా కాదా? చూసుకో. 14, 21, 63, 378, 3402. Identify the wrong number in the series. Is he talking about the wrong numbers? Yes. Huge increase, gradual increase, huge increase. How much is this? 7. Plus 7 is nothing but half of 14. If you are adding half of a number to itself, then it is nothing but into 1.5. ఎన్నో సార్లు చెప్పా ఈ విషయం, చెప్పానా లేదా? నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ వాట్? ఇంటూ 3. 1.53. maybe this is 6. 63 into 6. 63 is 360. 3 into 6, 18. 360, 18. 378. పక్కా ఇప్పుడు ఎంత అవ్వాలి? ఇంటూ 12. This is your wrong number. అర్థమవుతుందా? యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ 8, యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ 2. 2 into 8 అంటే 16. In the answer units place will be 6. కానీ అక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది? 2. 29. Look at this here. అమ్మా చూడండి ఇక్కడ. I'll go with pairs. How many here? 3 dots. How many here? 3 dots. Next ఎన్ని dots వచ్చినాయి? 4. మళ్ళీ ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి? 4. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఎన్ని కావాలి? How many? 5. How many will I get? 5. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చూడు. 2, 3. 3, 4. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ నాకు 4, ఆ తర్వాత 5. So here there should be only 4 dots. Which option is my answer? 5 dots and 4 dots. Which option? Come on. Fourth option. Now look at this number. Select the option in which the number shares the same relationship as that shared by the numbers in the given set. Operation should be performed on the whole number without breaking the number down, and you know this. Example 13. Operation on 13 such as adding, deleting, multiplying, etc. to 13 can be performed. Breaking down 13 into 1 and 3 and then performing mathematical operations on 1 and 3 is not allowed. Digit logics are not allowed. Ante kada amma? So if this is so, lucky ga feel avvali meer itlanti question vaste exam lo, because either you have to add, either you have to subtract, you have to divide, or you have to multiply. Nothing extra here. So all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. And is there any huge difference between these numbers? No. How much is the difference here? 54. How much is the difference here? 54. So the difference is same. Let me explore if I go with 54. Is this 54 here? Is this 54 here? What is 118 plus 54? Amma? 118 plus 54 enta? మరి నో అని ఎందుకు అన్నారమ్మా? కానీ ప్లస్ 54 వస్తే తప్పు అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. 148 plus 54, yes. 202 plus 54, yes. So which option is my answer? Third option. 31. Compare the first letter with first letter and we will talk only about place values and we will not write down the place values. తెలుసు కదా ఎంత? 2, come on, 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14. Difference is 4. Another 4, 18. 18 అంటే ఏంటిది అది? R. Every option is starting with R. అవునా కాదా? Next. What should I do? O is how much? 15, 11, 7, 3. 15 ఫస్ట్ టైము ప్లస్ 4 వచ్చింది కదా. 15, 11, 7, 3 అంటే -4, -4, -4. C is how much? 3. 3 can be taken as 29. 29 minus 4 is how much? 25. 25 అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? Y. ఓకేనా? Yes. Next 14, 18, 22, 26. 26 plus 4. Plus 4 అంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్లస్ 4 -4 మళ్ళీ ప్లస్ 4. 26 plus 4 is how much? 30. 30 is how much? D. So R, Y, D పక్కా అంటే దిస్ ఆర్ దిస్, అంతే కదా. చలో డి ఇందాకే చెప్పిన 30 అని తీసుకోవచ్చని. హౌ మచ్ కెన్ యూ టేక్ ఫర్ డి? 30. 30 and 26 -4. 26, 22 -4. -4, 18. 18 minus 4, 14. What is 14? అమ్మా ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ మై ఆన్సర్. క్లియర్? మీరు ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా ఇట్లా చేస్తున్నారు కదా, లేదా ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ రాస్తున్నారా? ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ రాయట్లేదు కదా. డోంట్ రైట్ డౌన్ ద ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ ప్లీజ్. Note P is G, some M are T. First one. No G is T, right? Complementary. Some T's are G's. Is it possible? Impossible. So first conclusion is right. Second conclusion, all M are G. Any M's G unnaya? Ledu. What's the answer? Only one. 33. Amma, we will go in the direction opposite to the arrows. Antena? Chapale. Now, whatever it is, when you finally complete this, it will look something like this. Antena? The same image will be in the bottom. But what should be my answer? Dead easy question. Next. Can I say I should extend this line like this and close it here? Chapandi. The image in the top and the image in the bottom both are same. So which option should be my answer? Second option. 35. Square circle pakka malla square raval. A option amma? First option. 36. Now this is a question. The IQ of 7 boys, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7 is tested and the values are compared. So ranking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. B2 has a higher IQ than B6. B5 has the third lowest IQ. B4 has IQ more than 6 boys. Ma, behind B, how many persons are there? 6 persons. And what is the total strength? 7. Number of people? 7. So pakka this is very clear. B4 is in the first place kada. Chapandama. Because behind B4 there are how many people? 6 people. Including B4 it is 7. But total strength of the class is also only 7. So B4 comes in the first place. Next. B3 has an IQ less than B2. Less than B2. Next, B1 has an IQ. B1 has higher IQ than B2. B7 has the least IQ. This is B7. How many persons are left out? 4 places. How many places are left out? 4 places. This is B1. After B1 you have B2. After B2 you have B6 and B3. How many places are left out? 4 places. And those 4 places are for these 4 people gadamma. So pakka this is B1, this is B2. These two positions not sure. It can be B3 or B6. It can be B3 or B6. But what is the question? Least bothered with these two because the second highest is B1. Clear? ఇది చూడంగానే చెప్పేయాలమ్మా, ఇది మామూలు క్వశ్చన్, ఇది మీకు స్టాండర్డ్కి. To your standard this is dead easy, because you have been writing these many exams, 3 into 4, 2 into 8, whatever comes in the question mark, if I multiply those two numbers I should get 15. 2 into 4 no, 2 into 6 no, 3 into no, 3 into 5 yes. Pretty easy to your standards. 38. POKERIHDXK 16 and 9. Antena? P is how much? I is how much? 9. Plus or minus or? Minus 7. 15 8 minus 7. 11 4 minus 7. 18 11 minus 7. This can be written as how much? 30. Chapandamma. 31 minus 7 and enta 24. 24 is what? X. Saripoyinda leda? Same vachinda leda? Reverse check cheskone avasaram unda leda? Ledu. Prastutaniki ledu. Next is what? The same story with that also. The difference is minus 7 only. Now how will AC, Amma, how will AQBCG, how will AQBCG be written in that particular code language? So this is 27, this is 28, this is 29. How much is G? 30. Enduku rashna idi? So that you will not get confused, because we are doing minus 7. If you do 1 minus 7 it will become minus 6. There is no letter with minus 6 as place value. Ardhamautunda leda? So whenever you are going with subtraction and you are getting a negative value, immediately go for the next place value of that particular letter. Next place value of that particular letter ante we will add 26. We will add 26. This we will discuss in coding and decoding. Yes or no? Chalo 27 minus 7 and enta 20. 20 ante T. 17 minus 7 10. 10 is how much? J. Okay na? 28 minus 7 21 U. 29 minus 7 22 V. 33 minus 7 26 TJUVZ. Chalo. But this question, how will you solve? Shall we go with the last or Amma? We'll start from the last option. What are you supposed to interchange? Into and divided by. Into and divided by, and if this is divided by 529, is it divisible by 23? Yes. This is division, this is into minus plus. So 529 divided by 23 is how much? 23 ne. And the count of 529 is 23 square. 23 into 3 is how much? 63. So 69, sorry, 69. So 13 plus 91 minus 69. How much is this? 104. 104 minus 69. Enta 35. Am I getting the exact answer? Yes. Lucky? Last option is your answer. Understood? Next. 8 persons D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K are sitting around a square table facing towards the center. Not necessarily in the same order. 4 persons are sitting at the corners of 4 persons are sitting at the middle of the sides of the square table. This is the square table. D is sitting at one of the sides and is opposite to K. G is sitting at the corner and to the immediate right of D. Corner and immediate right of D. D is the immediate neighbor of E and G. Next. I is not an immediate neighbor of H. F is sitting at one of the sides opposite to H. Chinna printing mistake ayipindi. H, who is adjacent to E. Raskundamma. H, who is adjacent to E. Chinna mistake andi. H, who is adjacent to E. So H, who is adjacent to E ante there is only one pause. H is opposite to F. And line before that, I is not an immediate neighbor of. So this has to be I. Is this clear? And who is left out? Amma. What's the question? Who is sitting diagonally opposite to I? Who is sitting diagonally opposite to I? E. Done? Any other doubts? Thank you.